Hello, good morning to all. Welcome to Computer Python program and welcome to Python World. So today we'll discuss some of the keywords. Already previous class we have discussed the keywords so that we can say it is a statement like if, elif, else, for, while, break, continue and pass. All are the conditional statements. One by one we'll discuss. So number one, if condition. If statement it is a condition when you will run your code or program. So if their condition is true, if your condition is satisfied, then it will show this output result. It will show. If your condition is false, then you want to add additional condition. Okay, suppose I am giving you an example. Suppose in school your child's report card, you can give example of report card. Suppose if you secure 90% above and you are securing A1. Okay, in report card it will show A1. If 90% above you will secure, then it will show A1. If less than 90% means more than 80% and less than 90%, then it will show A. So there first condition you will give if marks greater than equal to or percentage greater than equal to 90, then print you secure grade A. Then here you will add a leave additional condition. A leave marks or percentage greater than equal to 80, then you secure grade A. Like this, how many condition you want to additional condition you want to give? Like if marks greater than equal to 80, 70, then 60. Then after that, you want to, if no condition is satisfied, at last you want to show the output. You suppose those who secure less than 50, then it will show directly work hard or you are fail, whatever. So that is the else part at last. Okay, so then we'll discuss about the for loop. It is a looping. That means a for loop is used to iterate over a sequence like a list, string or range. Okay, suppose I'm giving you one example. We need to print one range from 1 to 10. Okay, if I will write there for I in range within bracket 10, then colon print I, then like this it will you will write, then it will show print I will write, then run it. One of the shortcut key to run the Python is F5 key. If you press F5 key, it will run. So here it will show 1 to 9. It will not show 1 to 10 because for I in range you have given 10. It will show up to 10. Up to 10 means 1 to 9 it will show. If you need 1 to 10, then you need to write for I in range 11. Okay. So like this, another example we can say while loop. So while loop keeps running as long as a condition is true. Okay, it keeps running as long as the condition is true. Suppose we can give the example count equal to 0, while count less than 5 colon print count or count plus equal to 1. If we will write this program, then it will count from 0 to 5. If I have written their count equal to 0 to start and less than 5, you'll count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There here another condition, count plus equal to 1. 1 it will grow up to 5. Okay, the same as loop for and while also same looping. And then break is used to exit a loop immediately even if the loop condition is still true. So break is used to exit a loop immediately. People write their break. Suppose if the condition you have given and in while looping, so if marks greater than equal to 90, print you secure A1 grade. So there you can add a break. If you write break means on that part it will exit that part. Simultaneously, if you want to add more condition looping, then you can a loop you can add and again you can break. So how many times you want to break that condition? Okay, so you can use break statement. Means it will exit a loop immediately even if the condition is still true, it will break. So now next one is your continue. Continue is used to skip the rest of the current loop iteration and jump to the next one. Okay, continue क्या करेगा? Continue is to skip the rest of the current loop iteration. It will skip that part and jump to the next one. Suppose for I in range within bracket 5. Okay, if I equal to 2 colon continue print I. So here what happened? Already range given up to 5 and it will print from 0 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means up to 5 means 4 tak it will count. Okay, so but here one condition given, if I equal to 2, range I have given if I in range 5 and if written there if I equal to 2 continue means output will show 0, 1, 3, 4 and 2 will be skipped there. Here 2 is skipped in output. Why? If I equal to 2 there it will continue statement here is used, that means it will skip the that part and it will next jump to the next one. That's why 2 will be skipped there. Understood? So next one is pass. Pass does nothing, it's a placeholder. When syntax requires a statement but you don't want to write any code yet. Okay, so just like it is just placeholder. Just example we can see for I in range 5. Suppose the number 5 you need to write, up to 5 you want to display. If I equal to 2, same thing. Here pass. If you use pass, then else print I. Here it will show same 0, 1, 3, 4. Here 2 will not show. Okay. So 0, 1, 3, 4. So here pass, do nothing for now. Okay. Because here only if it is given condition, only it will pass. Okay. If you do not want to write any code it also, that continue it will also pass to next condition. Okay. So we can all the statement we have discussed. Now we'll discuss some of the examples. Those are beginners. Just use that program and like this right side output will appear. Suppose hello world means print is the only the statement. It will show the display output. Okay, whatever you will print within the inverted comma. Okay, it will show the output. Print hello world. If you write print within bracket within inverted comma hello world, you can use double quotes and single quotes and triple quotes. Later on we'll discuss. So output when you will run it, it will show hello world. Okay, whatever within quotes it will display. Next question is adding two numbers. We'll add two numbers. Suppose a equal to int input enter first number. Here is a is what? A is a variable. So variable is a naming word. We can use suppose, let. We can take a, we can take number, you can take num, you can take n, whatever variable, your choice. But int means integer. We want to add a number. Input. Here input statement we have used. The importance is Python will ask the user to enter the number. It will not display directly the number. It will ask the user to enter the number. That is the use of input function or input statement. So here a equal to int input enter a first number. B another variable second number. Then print sum. We need to add two numbers. Sum within quotation mark comma. What is the use of comma? Comma is the separator. It will separate the values. So a plus b. Suppose you have given one number. Suppose enter first number, output we can see. Enter first number 45. Enter second number 55. And sum is a plus b. 45 plus 55, it is 100. Okay. Next question is swapping two variables. Suppose a equal to 5, b equal to 10. Swapping means it will interchange. A comma b equal to b comma a means a का वैल्यू b में चला जाएगा, b का वैल्यू a में चला जाएगा. Interchange. It will print a equal to a and b equal to b. That will interchange. If we'll run it by pressing F5 or run module option, it will show the output A equal to 10, B equal to 5. But actually program we have written A equal to 5, B equal to 10, but it will interchange. So next question is find the largest of three numbers. Suppose A equal to int input, enter first number, second number, and A, B, C three variables we have taken, or we can say num1, num2, num3, whatever. Print largest number, which is largest number. Here we have used comma as a separator. We have used here maximum formula. Max within bracket A comma B comma C. If we use max means which is maximum number means largest number it will show. So enter first number user input. You will give first number, second number, and third number, and which is largest it will show. So the next program is find greatest three numbers similar to question number 4. We can say num1 equal to input, enter first number, then num2, num3. Here we have used the comparison logical statement. If num1 greater than num2 means number 1 greater than number 2 and norm1 greater than norm3. That means who is the greatest? Norm1 is the greatest. If this condition is not satisfied, if you will add additional condition, you will add norm2 greater than norm3. Then what it will print? Norm2 is greatest. Else still both condition is not satisfying. Else part. The last part, number 3 is the last part, number 3 is greatest. You can see enter first number, whatever number you take, second number and third number. So here number 1 is greatest, so it will show number 1 is greatest. Yes. So now check even or odd number. Norm equal to int input, enter a number. If here num means number, whatever you will give percentage to, this percentage is called as modulus. Already we have discussed in previous video part 1. Percentage, that symbol is called as modulus, means here a remainder. So remainder will be 0. If number whatever divided by 2, यहाँ पे 2 के साथ डिवाइड होगा तो रिमाइंडर विल बी 0. प्रिंट इवन ये नंबर 2 से कोई भी नंबर डिवीजन हो जाएगा, it will be divided by 2, any number, it will be, and remainder will be 0. It is even number, else it is odd number. The next question is reverse a string. Means suppose you need to write one string or one word, whatever, and you want to show the output in reverse order. So here string input, enter a string, print reversed. Here given reversed and separator comma string colon colon -1. -1 means here it will write from reverse word, backward. Suppose you can see your example, enter a string. I have written AJ, AY, AJ, and when I will run it, it will from first letter will go last. Okay, first letter will go last, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. Means fifth letter will come first and first letter will go last. Clear? And print a pattern. So you can use the pattern. Same thing, you can take one variable n equal to int input, enter number of rows, how many rows you want to add there, pattern you want to add. So for I in range 1, comma n plus 1. From 1 first pattern rows to start करेगा and plus 1 it will continue up to what number you have given and print. Suppose I want to add number of stars. You can add number of hearts or any symbols. That one you need to write there into I. That means it will each time it will multiply and it will continuously it will grow. Okay. Suppose I have given here 10 star. Enter number of rows. I have given here enter number of rows is 10. So it will show first 1 star, then 2 star, 3 star up to 10 star. It is one pattern you can use. So next question is convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. So here we have used one float decimal values. It may come in decimal point. So float input enter temperature in Celsius. It is user, it will ask to user you need to add the temperature and it will convert it into, you need to add in Celsius and it will convert it into Fahrenheit, what it will be. So Fahrenheit equal to formula is Celsius into 9 by 5. This is the formula. Celsius into 9 by 5 within bracket plus 32. Okay. So print. This is the formula you need to write. Temperature in Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit, comma. It will show the formula of Fahrenheit. If when you run it, it will show enter temperature in Celsius. Suppose you need to write 32, 35, 44, whatever, and it will convert it into Fahrenheit and it will show 89.6. Right? So next question is find some digit, sum of digits. Means number equal to int input, enter a number, user input, print sum of digits, comma, sum integer digit for digit in string num. You can see the output. Here, sum of digit means if you will add any number, suppose 2, 5, I have given 25, but it will add each number. 2 plus 5, it will 7. Result will be shown 7. You write 5, 45. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14. So it will show sum of digits 14. So next is check leap year or not. So leap year, you know. So year, if year equal to int input, enter a year. User input. Suppose you want to check which year is leap year. Formula is condition here if year percentage 4 equal to 0. If वो year 4 के साथ divide होता है, if year modulus 4 year if 4 के साथ divide हो रहा है and remainder would be 0, then it is leap year, it will show leap year. Else जो divide नहीं होगा, a remainder will be not 0. That means it is not a leap year. Clear? So this is all about Python program, and next video will come with more exciting programs like we can play with computer rock paper and scissor game that children are always playing. We can play with computers, we can create games. Yes, so next video we'll see how to make games. Thank you.